Hello children, welcome to EVS class. All of you open your awareness skill book, page number 27. Page number 27, and today we are going to start with a new topic, that is plants. The name of the topic is plants. So here in this page they have shown how to plant a tree. What is the procedure of planting a tree? And regarding this we will watch a small video. So let's go children.
Plants. How to plant a tree? Get a pot. Now put a layer of gravel at the bottom. Then fill the pot with soil and sow seeds. Cover the seeds with a thin layer of soil. Now water the seedlings regularly. Keep your pot in the sun and wait for the plant to grow. This is your plant. Take care of it.
Children, I hope you enjoyed the video on how to plant a tree. So just we will revise it, what they have shown. First, get a pot. So this is not a broken pot, broken one. This is a full one. Only to show what the things they are keeping, they have given this portion. Okay. So this is not a broken pot. Don't take any broken pot. Okay. So first take a new good pot. Next, put a layer of gravel at the bottom. Gravel means what children? Small stones, not big one, rocks, don't want. Sand also we don't want. Small stones are called gravel. So what they have told, the second step, as soon as you take the pot, you have to put a layer of gravel at the bottom. A small layer of gravel you have to make. Now third, fill the pot with the soil and sow the seed. Now you have to put the soil in this. Third step is put the soil and sow the seeds. Sow the seeds means ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ seeds ಹಾಕಬೇಕು ನೀವು ಮಣ್ಣಿನ ಒಳಗೆ seeds ಹಾಕಬೇಕು. Any seeds you can take from your mama papa. Okay, they will give you. Okay, and after that cover the seeds with the thin layer of soil. So you will not keep as it is. When you put the seeds in the soil, again you have to put the thin layer of the soil. This is the fourth step. ಬೀಜ ಹಾಕಿಂದ ಮತ್ತು ಒಂಚೂರು ಮಣ್ಣು ಅದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಸಣ್ಣ ಲೇಯರ್ ಮಣ್ಣಿಂದ ಹಾಕಬೇಕು. ಬೀಜ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಕುಲ್ಲ ಇಡಬಾರ್ದು. ಓಕೆ, ಅಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದರೆ ಗಿಡ ಹತ್ತೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಅದು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಪುಟ್ ಅ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಲೇಯರ್ ಆಫ್ ಸಾಯಿಲ್ ಆನ್ ದ ಸೀಡ್ಸ್. ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಫಿಫ್ತ್, water the seedlings regularly. Don't think as soon as you put the seed the plant will come. ನೀವು ಬೀಜ ಹಾಕಿದ ಕೂಡ ಗಿಡ ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. It will take time, few days, or sometimes it will take a week to grow. ಅದು ಬೀಜ ಒಡೆದು ಅದರೊಂದು ಗಿಡ ಬರಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಟೈಮ್ ತಗೋತಿದೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ವಾಟರ್ ರೆಗ್ಯುಲರ್ಲಿ. ಡೋಂಟ್ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿ ಪೋರ್ ದ ವಾಟರ್. ಸ್ಲೋಲಿ ಸಣ್ಣಗೆ ನೀರು ಹಾಕಬೇಕು ಚೆಂದ ಮಾಡಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಪುಟ್ ಯುವರ್ ಪಾಟ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಸನ್. ಸಣ್ಣದು ಒಂದು ಪ್ಲ್ಯಾಂಟ್ ಬಂದಿಂದ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಕೀಪ್ ಇಟ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಸನ್. ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಸನ್ಲೈಟ್ ಬರ್ತೈತಿ ದೇರ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಕೀಪ್ ದ pot. See here, small plant you can see, and it requires sunlight to grow. After that, wait for the plant to grow. Now day by day it will grow. Not within one day it will not grow. It will take time. You have to wait for it. You have to water it regularly, and you have to keep the pot in the sunlight. Okay, this is your plant. Take care of it. See, after few days a plant will grow. You'll get flowers in that. So you are going to enjoy this. Okay, this is a nice activity you can do in your home with the help of your mummy papa. And if pot is not there, you can take a carry bag. In that also you can do, or use and throw bottle or some boxes you can take. Okay, in that also you can do. In use and throw boxes you can do this activity. Okay, and when you get the plant you have to post the photo in my personal WhatsApp. Okay, so this will be the activity for you. Now children, we will do an activity which has been given on the page number 28. So let's see. Number the pictures in the correct sequence. Here they have given the procedure to how to plant a tree, but they have jumbled the pictures. So you have to arrange them in the sequence. You can give the number 1, 2, 3. So what will be the first procedure when you start planting a tree? Yes, you will take a pot. So this is the empty pot. So you will write here number 1. You will take the pot. After taking a pot, what you will do, children? You will put some gravel, then soil, a thick layer of soil, and then you will put the seeds in them. So this will be the second one. After putting the seeds, again a thin layer of soil you are going to put it there on the seeds. Okay, so this will be the third one. After that, you are going to water it. Don't pour, water it slowly. So this will be the fourth one. First, second, third, fourth. After that, keep the pot in the sunlight, because sunlight is must for the plant. See, a small plant has come, it requires sunlight. So this will be the fifth one. So write number 5. Fifth. And see, it is fully grown, bud is there, flowers are there. Okay, so this will be the last one. Okay children, like this you are going to complete this activity. Okay, thank you.